Students, let's continue solving another two examples of similarity. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEC. So let's create the ratio. Let's create our proportion. First of all, EC, the side EC, as you see here, is the side EC, and today I told you the side EC is similar to side BC. Let's write it. EC is 6 over BC is x plus 6. As you see here, EC is x plus 6. So it's equal to DE, the side DE. DE is similar to side AB. So DE is 3, AB is 5. So our proportion is ready to be solved. Let's use cross multiplication. Then, let's put our two arrows. 5 times 6 equals 3 times x plus 6. Let's continue doing math. 30 equals 3x plus 18. So 3x equals 12, x equals 4. It's very easy. Question 2. If we don't have any other information, we just have two triangles. We know the value of sides, 3, 4, 6 for the first triangle, for the second triangle, x, 2, and 3. But I can understand, please pay more attention here. I can understand, 4 is, or 2 times 2 is 4. Look, 2 is 2 and 4 has a relationship. 3 and 6 has a relationship because 3 times 2 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4. So x times 2 is 3. So let's create our ratio. Let's create our proportion. 2 over 4. So in the beginning, the top part, numerator part, let's say we place 2. For denominator we use for the big triangle, so 2 over 4 equals, for numerator we are going to use the side x over, so it's related to 3. So 2 times 3 equals 4 times x. So 6 over 4 will be x. It is, after simplified, it is 3 over 2. X is 3 over 2. Thank you so much, guys.